Okay, here's one of the things I do. If you tear into these old Farmalls, you'll notice that most of the time inside these water jackets in the block will be just covered and thick with rust and dust or mice or rats or whatever. So what I do to clean that, if I don't have to send the block out to go get them to do some work on it, I take a shop vac and I pinch it down into a little smaller hose, and you can stick that right here where that water pipe comes in, and you can suck it out with that. And then I took a, I don't know, this is like a 5/8 or something piece of irrigation pipe, and I just wrapped a bunch of electrical tape to, and I'll stick it on there, and it'll go down inside. So you can take a screwdriver and you can break that stuff loose, and you can use this to suck it up. And then I got a thin light that I can stick in these water jackets, and if you look right in here, you can see in there. See? So you can see if it's clean or not. Stick it in this and here, and you can see, and you can get in there and spend some time and get it all cleaned up. You know, if you still get a, if you can still find a place that does the, you know, a hot dip on the block, it'll eat that rust up, but they've decided it's hard on the environment, and a lot of places don't do that anymore. And so the stuff they do now, it doesn't seem like it does anything to rust. So you don't have to send your block in to get them to machine it. Then you can just clean that stuff out the old-fashioned way with a screwdriver, a light, and a shop vac, and it go a long way towards keeping your engine from overheating and keeping it nice and clean on the inside. You want your block, and you want your head, and you want your radiator as clean as you can get it, so you got good circulation, because it's a thermocycle system, so you don't have a water pump running on it, so you don't want any obstructions in there. So anyway, that's what I do. Thanks for watching.